Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new CPA marketing tutorial. Do you want to start CPA marketing? Are you struggling to get traffic for your CPA offers? If yes, then complete this tutorial. Step by step, I will show you a brand new strategies that will help you to make CPA profits. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can promote iPhone related CPA offers and make CPA profits. In this tutorial, I will show you how to choose the best CPA affiliate network, how to choose the best iPhone related CPA offers and get unlimited traffic. But at the first I want to disclose it. If you want to get overnight traffic, if you want to get overnight result, then don't need to watch this tutorial. You have to grow your traffic source day by day. After that you can get result and you can get result for a long time. Okay guys, now let's see the best part of this tutorial, why I love this statistics. Okay, it's so easy to apply CPA method. Okay, you can make 50 per day or more day by day. Then you can promote mobile offers. Then it's a brand new CPA statistics and I hope you never apply this method again. Okay, it's 100% beginner friendly, no paid traffic sources here, no working skill, marketing skill needed here, and no software or tools needed to apply this method. And for this reason, I love this strategies. Step by step, I will show you everything. Now, let me introduce myself first. I am Raju Bhadro. I am an affiliate marketer over 9 years. I am working here. It's my YouTube channel, Raju Bhadro. A lot of money making opportunities here. You can check my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money, over 10,000 per month, then check my video description and get the number on money making opportunities. Okay, now let's start this tutorial. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you really enjoy this tutorial, like this video. If you have any question, any queries about this method, about this tutorial, then comment in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Raju Bhadro. Okay, now at the first you have to choose your CPA affiliate network. You can choose CPA leads, CPA grips, offer vault, max bounty, Feedfly. As a beginner, I recommend you to choose CPA leads because it's so easy and simple to create account here and get product of get your affiliate link, get your offers affiliate link. Okay, now let's see how easy this is. Click here, login. Okay, and you can simply log in here using your Facebook account, using your Google account, or you can sign up here using your email address and using your password. Okay, let's see how I can log in using my Google account. Okay, simply sign in here using any of the Google account. That's it. Just simply log in your Google account and log in this CPA leads. Now you have to choose your iPhone related best CPA offers and how you can do it. I will show you. Click here the offers. Okay, now select all countries. Now select offer type, email, submits and service. Now you see here all the offers here. Get iPhone 13, it's for United States and your payout 1.05 USD. Win the new iPhone 13, it's for Belgium, Italy, Great Britain, that means United Kingdom. Okay, for 46 cents. Okay, then free iPhone Pro for Australia, and you can get a lot of countries iPhone offers here. Okay, now you have to combine all the offer in just one page because every offer for a specific for every separate countries. Okay, now you have to combine all the offer in just one page, and for this visit this site Linktree. You see here the Linktree, visit here and click your account here. it's so simple to create account here. After that you have to add new link like this, and I already add my new links here. You see here, it's for United States, it's for Canada, it's for Australia, it's for Great Britain, Belgium, Italy. Okay, and you see here, it's the page. Now I want to share this page, I want to promote this page, and all the offers here. If any on, click here, take make the survey, submit the pin, submit the email, you get a conversion, you get your CPA profits. Now it's the part how you can choose your iPhone related CPA offers and how you can combine all the offers in just one page. Now you have to promote this page, and the main part, traffic. I will discuss right now the traffic part, how you can get traffic, how you can grow traffic and get more and more CPA conversion. Okay guys, but if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money opportunities, then you can check my video description here, traffic opportunities, affiliate marketing opportunities, you can get it. Now the traffic part, okay. It's the traffic part I will discuss. Traffic is the most important part. If you have traffic, then you can get conversion, otherwise no other option. You don't need to run Google Ads, you don't need to make videos, you don't need to make any scammy tasks. Just simply copy paste method, just simply grow your traffic sources. You have to grow it. But if you think after completing this tutorial you just start and get traffic, make CPA profits, no, it's not possible. You have to follow this method minimum 20 or 25 days. After that you can get results, and day by day you can grow your results, you can grow your CPA marketing. Okay, but you have to grow it fast. Now it's Instagram, visit the Instagram. Okay, you have to grow your Instagram profile using mobile phones images. Okay, how you can do it? Okay, if you check this guy, you see here, he just post various iPhone images, just, and the response you see here, 454 people love this post, 7 comment here, here is 360 46 people love this, and you see here a lot of response here, a lot of response here. Okay, now you can easily download any of the image from here or any other sites. In the side of Instagram, here is no copyright issues. It's the most positive thing, it's the most positive site in Instagram, and for this reason I personally like Instagram. I personally promote it's my profile, I personally promote various affiliate offers using Instagram. It's my profile, you can follow me, and I promote various affiliate offers, make money related offers, and for this reason I post here money images, and here all of my post response here, you can see all the post response here. Okay, it's amazing, it's nice. Okay, now you have to add mobile related images, because if you want to promote this iPhone related offers, CP offers, and it's so easy, and you can use multiple Instagram account at using your cell phone. This is my cell phone. Using your cell phone, you can use it. Now I will show you how you can use Instagram using your computer. Okay, most of the people don't know how to make post using computer. I will show you how you can make post using your computer, and you can use multiple account at the same time, and here is no problem, here is no copyright issues, here is no issues if you use any multiple accounts. So I suggest you to build a Instagram account like this on, and you can get a lot of response here, and inside the video description you can add your Linktree link, and you will get a lot of response, I can assure you. Just you can use using your mobile phone at your sleeping time. You can make a post here, just copy and paste, It's so easy. Okay, now let's see the Instagram marketing strategies. Okay, if you want to get result on Instagram, you have to follow these rules. At the first you have to set up your bio. Inside the bio you can add your affiliate link, you can add your Linktree link. Okay, then make post every day, two or three posts minimum I recommend you. Then write a short description about your post, about your iPhone. Okay, then use relevant hashtags. It's important, it's the most important, because your hashtag helps you to reach your post all over the world. Okay, and the response other people's post and comments. If someone comments your post, then try to respond other people's post and comments. It helps you to grow your Instagram profile day by day very rapidly. Okay, and it's the rules, it's the 5 rules here, and you have to follow all the rules if you want to start in Instagram marketing. Okay, now let's see how you can make post using your computer, using your laptop inside Instagram. Most of the people don't know how to make post using laptop, using computer. It's easy to make post using mobile phone, but if you want to make post using your computer, using a laptop, then follow it. Don't miss here. Click the right button of your mouse, then inspect. Click here and inspect. Now you see here, see this symbol, mobile and tab. Okay, select it. Okay, select it, then cut this page and reload your Instagram once again. Okay, now you see here this icon. Now I can select post from my computer. Okay, you see here I can make post here. Now I can select various formation of images, then you can, after that you can add your description, hashtags, and just hit the next button, write your caption, then you can use your hashtags here, and finally share. It's the way to make post using your computer, using your laptop inside Instagram. So guys, that's the way to promote your iPhone related CPO offers in using Instagram traffic, and I hope you must get result. But don't want to get overnight result after watching this tutorial. If you think it's a bullshit method, bullshit idea, you can say, but it's really odds. If it doesn't work, then this guy, a lot of people follow this method, follow this system. Now it's depend on you. I don't force you to apply this method. Uh, uh, I don't avoid say you to avoid this method. I don't force you to apply this method. It's all depend on you. Okay, but if you want to get a long run, if you want to get a lifetime CPA profit method strategies, then I suggest you to apply this method. It get really awesome results. It's a super powerful and a brand new tricks to promote CP offers. Most of the people makes cash app related CP offers, then various CP offers. But if you use this iPhone related CP offers, I hope you must get better conversion. It's guaranteed. Okay guys, that's it. It's all about the method. And if you like this video, if you like this tutorial, then like this video. And if you have any question about this method, about this tutorial, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro. A lot of money making opportunities here. You see here a lot of money making opportunities here. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 by affiliate marketing, by online marketing, then check my video description and get it. Traffic opportunities here, affiliate marketing opportunities here, Amazon business opportunities here. You can check it. Now I want to repeat all the method once again. At the first, you have to create your CPA affiliate network here, CPA lead or CPA grip, max bounty, offer volt. Okay, then get your affiliate link here. Okay, then add all the link inside Linktree, and using Instagram you can promote your Linktree link and you can get conversion, make CPA profits. So guys, that's it. Don't forget to like this video, comment this video, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, that's it. God bless you. Take care. Bye.